Hi traders, and welcome to the final chapter of the week. The final chapter being Friday the 20th of Feb. Now the trading tonight, I have to say, we got off to an absolutely fantastic start, but then then we went sideways and we went down and we went sideways for a long time. I couldn't actually get anything to take the index back, but look. It's trading is trading. Friday night's Friday night. Let's see how we go. Now we jumped in here for a standard sell signal. Now you note it was with a sell bias. We did only go for our 2 point target. Again, as you know, my standard targets are 2 points. And for those building up an archive of the trading results, then you'll understand that there's no surprises there with 2 points. Now it did go down to 3 points, so there was a little bit more there. But again, we were quite happy with our 2 point target. It was paid quite nicely. Now, I actually got nothing to take advantage of this massive drop down. Got absolutely nothing at all, which was really, really quite frustrating. Now, I did get the potential for a buy signal here, but again, my M2 indicator was not up to scratch for that one. So you can see with the huge number of candles, we just kept on going and going and going. Actually took us through to the mid-session, and I at that point in time had only made 2 points. So wasn't very happy. Wasn't very happy with that. Now, if we come through to the end of the session, you can see here that I've got the mid-session bar. We actually got a little bit of volatility to take advantage of, which was great because we actually picked up an absolutely textbook big picture sell signal. Now this big picture sell signal, because we were with the bias and we weren't running into any known resistance or support levels in the market, we're actually able to set our ambitious with the bias target of 4.5 points, and it paid. And let me tell you, it was really, it was really good when we got this big rundown of red candles here, because just that signal alone, 4.5 points is just on a 22.5% return. So that was actually a really nice way. In fact, that rundown there took around about 14 or 15 minutes, and that 15 minutes took a very, very sad trading session into a really, really good one. So all in all, there we were. Now we only made 6.5 points for the night, so 6.5 points, 32.5% return. So a little bit lame. A little bit lame, as you know. My lame rule is less than 8 points is lame, but again, for the baby traders out there trading one contract, well done. Again, you've made over $300 for the trading day. For the 10 contract traders, again, you've earned 3 times, in fact 10 times that, so well done. You've had a $3,000 US session. Alright, ladies and gents, that's enough from me. We do have a webinar next Tuesday night for those that would like to learn a little bit more about what we do, so please jump on the website if you'd like to, and take advantage of the knowledge. Please do. Alright, listen, that's enough from me. That's Friday done. I am tired after a big week, so thank you very much for coming and saying g'day. Well done to those traders who've already started to trade doing what we do and find out more about it. Brilliant. Brilliant. It is true. You don't have to trade with market makers, ladies and gents. So don't use market makers. Stop using them. All right, that's enough from me. Another plus 30% night. So happy. Got to be happy with that. Have a absolutely brilliant Friday night, and have a very safe weekend. And I'll see you next week. Bye for now.